Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. Kesser Mustafa, President Pakistani American Republican Party from Brooklyn, New York. Donald Trump's presidency from 2017 to 2021 was marked by a series of policies and initiatives that his supporters often view as significant achievements for America. Here is a more detailed look at some of the key policies he implemented. Tax Cuts and Jobs Act. One of the most notable pieces of legislation during Trump's presidency was the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act of 2017. This law aimed to stimulate the economy by lowering the corporate tax rate from 35% to 21%, which was intended to encourage businesses to invest and expand. Additionally, the act provided tax cuts for individuals with the goal of increasing disposable income. Proponents argue that these cuts led to increased consumer spending and contributed to economic growth. Deregulation efforts. Trump's administration made significant effort to roll back regulations across various industries. The philosophy behind this was to reduce the burden on businesses, allowing them to operate more freely and efficiently. For instance, the administration targeted environmental regulations, financial sector regulations, and labor laws, arguing that these were stifling economic growth. Supporters claim that deregulation helped create jobs and fostered innovation, particularly in the energy sector. Criminal justice reform. In December 2018, Trump signed the First Step Act into law, which aimed to reform the federal prison system and reduce recidivism. The legislation included provisions to reduce mandatory minimum sentences for certain nonviolent offenses and expanded rehabilitation programs for inmates. This bipartisan effort was seen as a significant step toward addressing issues in the criminal justice system and was praised by various advocacy groups. Foreign policy initiatives. Trump's foreign policy was characterized by an America First approach. He renegotiated trade agreements, most notably replacing NAFTA with the United States-Mexico-Canada Agreement, USMCA, which aimed to create fairer trade conditions for American workers. Additionally, Trump engaged in direct diplomacy with North Korea, becoming the first sitting US president to meet with North Korean leader Kim Jong-un in an effort to address nuclear disarmament. Immigration policies. Trump's immigration policies were among the most controversial aspects of his presidency. He advocated for stricter immigration controls, including the construction of a wall along the US-Mexico border to curb illegal immigration. His administration also implemented changes to visa programs and increased enforcement actions against undocumented immigrants. Supporters argue that these measures were necessary for national security and protecting American jobs. Economic growth and employment. During much of Trump's presidency, the US economy experienced significant growth, with unemployment rates reaching record lows prior to the COVID-19 pandemic. Supporters attribute this success to the aforementioned tax cuts and deregulation efforts, claiming that they created a favorable environment for businesses and workers alike. While President Donald Trump's policies garnered support from many, they also faced criticism and opposition. Critics argue that some of his actions exacerbated social divisions, harmed the environment, and undermined international alliances. The evaluation of his presidency remains a topic of debate, reflecting the polarized views on his administration's impact on America. Thanks for watching Pakistani American News Channel.